Hello everyone, this is Dark Dimension Todd House. Today we got this right here at Target. It's Poppy's Playtime. 7 exclusive items. This one's neat because it's a VHS looking cassette. I guess case. So we're going to open this up and we're going to check it out. Look on the back right there. I guess that's a preview of the stuff that you're going to get. Scarlett, you love Poppy's Playtime and Huggy Wuggy. You were even kissy missy for Halloween. So, right now we got Goosebumps playing in the background. Anyways, to give you an idea, so this was $25. It was on sale for $17 at Target. The year, it's February 2024. Alright, so let's open this up and see what there is. So it looks like a yellow cassette and it has a key. I see a key on the side. Show me this case right there. This case looks cool.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like an old school VHS tape. Cute. A big fat VHS tape.
Cute.
Alright, so I guess it opens up and there's going to be like a key.
How do you open it?
I don't know. Your yellow nails go with this yellow cassette.
Oh, right there.
There you go.
I can see it.
So easy, even a child. Even Huggy Wuggy with his hand. Alright, so that's cool. It's a gray Huggy Wuggy. So let me see this. Let me get this close up of
Look at his
Huggy.
mouth. He looks strange.
Yeah, he's gumlet. He's toothless. He's just got gums. So he's kind of a gray tiger stripe look. Even that. Usually they have different colored hands.
You can hide the key in his mouth. That's why his mouth looks strange.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because he looked like an old man.
Because there's Velcro. And he's got the key.
There you go. It's kind of like Saw, like reaching in there.
Swallows a key.
All right. Well, you probably need the key to open up the rest of it, right?
Oh. Okay.
Remember I was saying there's a key on there. This is cool. This is a fun little.
You have this thing though.
It's kind of like a scavenger hunt. What is that?
It's a poster.
Oh, so it comes with a poster?
Oh, that's cute.
Hey, that looks neat. Look at that. You got all the different characters. You got Poppy, Kissy, Huggy, the bunny, PJ the Pugapillar. I don't know what that dinosaur one is.
I don't know.
But that's neat. What does it say? Scratch to find the Poppy key. So, what are you supposed to scratch?
Oh, I guess you're supposed to...
What's this stuff tied to the trees?
I think it wants you to scratch the pomni.
You're supposed to, I don't know. You're supposed to scratch this, but we already found the key because we had
You cheated.
Wait, you're supposed to scratch this.
Shows how much you know.
Oh, ooh, I hate that sound.
Invented that silver bullet story themselves, so cool people couldn't afford to hunt them down.
Doesn't work.
She needs a quarter.
I suppose you
Let me see.
Yeah.
All right, so you scratch off all this right here.
Who are you? I don't know.
So you're supposed to find the key?
Yes.
But we already found it in his mouth.
Nom 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 nom.
Let's see. I don't know what character this one is right there.
I know this character.
Here's Scarlett.
Let me get the key. Swallow key.
Oh, is this a
That's Daddy Longlegs.
Daddy Longlegs?
Yeah.
So if there's Daddy Longlegs, there's Mommy Longlegs. Oh, duh, it's right there. Mommy Longlegs.
right in its very center.
I don't know.
I'm surprised that it seemed like that would like scratch off all the. Don't scratch too hard.
Suck them down like quicksand.
Gonna fast forward here. Alright, so we're scratching. I didn't even check right there. So, yeah, that's the hint right there, Jen.
Pomni.
See?
Oh my gosh.
I didn't know that. I thought it was just black like that was his mouth, but you scratch right here,
It's
and
the
it
key.
reveals the key, even though Jennifer already cheated and she knew.
No, she didn't. I'm pretty sure she didn't.
Alright, so who's this character, Scarlett?
I don't know his name.
It kind of looks like a Garfield. Daddy Longlegs. The key.
There's baby long.
That's Baby Longlegs.
Boxy Boo.
And
Here's
there's
a flower
happy
poo.
flower.
I know that one already.
So what else is in this box? This VHS tape.
Let me open it.
Yeah, use the
You
key.
didn't scratch good.
Well, no.
Oh wow! Actually pops up.
All right, so she unlocked it, and what's inside?
What is inside of this? Why are you so... I got the hand.
Is it the player?
Yeah, it's a player's hand. It says golden. Golden player hand.
So it's like a stand?
Yeah.
Alright. Cool. What else is in here?
So you get everything you see in the back.
Oh, you do? So it's not a mystery? Use your strength.
Supposed to have some lightning bolts.
Lightning bolts. So there's more stuff?
Well, no, it's just lightning
Can
bolts
I
on
get a
here.
pair of scissors? Need a pair of scissors.
Here, I'll help you, Scarlett.
Secret.
A secret.
The question mark? It's like the Riddler.
I don't...
Alright, so what's in these packages right here? Maybe they'll have some more clues.
Let's see what's in this.
It's a keychain?
Yeah.
With his face. There's the Huggy.
Love it.
And then there's this one right here. More mystery items. What's in there?
Oh my god, I got my favorite one.
Your favorite? What's your
Yeah,
favorite?
so it's not a mystery because everything's in here.
Yeah, Bunzo.
Bonzo the bunny.
Cute.
Alright, so go and press the button and to release this hidden door. What's inside? Oh, it's like
What's
a
inside?
springy Huggy. Like a Jack-in-the-Box, I guess it's like a jump scare. Yeah, because he's a jump scare, so boing.
You should play boxing.
Boing, boing, boing.
You should play boxing.
So that's cool, a jump scare. So those are the items. Go and show me all the different items of y'all's Huggy Wuggy. So you get jump scare Huggy. It comes with the VHS cassette. You got the player, the hand, the gold hand. You got that key, and you got a Poppy keychain. And Bonzo the bunny. I guess that's a statue.
Yeah.
That's cool. Lots of awesome stuff for all you Poppy's Playtime fans and Huggy Wuggy and Kissy Missy. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is Dark Dimensions Haunted House with our old man.